Those indicators are actually original. Which one does ring? Oh. I have no idea which one just rang. Okay, it was this one. There you go.
Thanks.
Oh, it won't let me up. Okay, we made it up somewhat. Alright, can I view? This is the, in case you couldn't tell, this is the spa tower elevators of the Bellagio. We're stopping again. Why does it keep on cancel? Oh, because it's locked. That's probably why. Yeah, okay. You're welcome. Over. There you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Yeah, we can't go anywhere on these.
Oh my gosh.
Shoot, I don't even know how I'm gonna get my thumbnail picture.
Yeah, no, I got you right now. Appreciate you, man.
That's weird. Okay, these are the higher ups. Oh no, they're not. Never mind. Yeah, you can't press that one. Let's go slightly higher up. Wait, hold on. This one. This one has different cab. Just slit you. Oh, I thought it was open. Oh, what the hell? Oh, you see the cab. I don't know if we're gonna move at all, but we'll see. I'll give it some time. This one actually has a different cab. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be able to ride these. Alright, there goes, and that's it.